Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in today's tutorial, we're going to introduce a very interesting project. It's called CLI-Anything. So this project is a CLI skill that converts any software to a CLI command line. So the reason for doing that is because today people are using software, but in the future, agents are going to use software instead of human. So this project is to bridge the gap so that you can convert all the software to a CLI that agent can use. And so you can see this project is very popular. So it already has 10K or over 10K stars in about 4 or 5 days. So it's very cool. To use the software, so simply to install it to Claude or some other coding agent platform, and then you can just do CLI-Anything and the software path or the software GitHub repo. So for example, if you want to CLI the Blender, which is a 3D software, you can just do CLI-Anything space the path to Blender. So that will create a binary or the pip package for that specific software, and then you can install that pip package, then you can start using it. So then the agent can call it. So that's how simple it is. So to give you an example, so if you have the CLI built out by the CLI-Anything, then you can simply use it as CLI-Anything. And for example, maybe it's GIMP. So we can just go to this folder that was built, then go to a pip install all the packages and do a CLI-Anything dash the software name. Then you can start using it. To build the binary or CLI for any software using the CLI skill, a very critical part is a skill.markdown file. So I think this is very, very common. And so that file is in the CLI-Anything plugin. So this plugin has a file called harness. So if you go to the harness markdown file, this is helping the CLI skill to create a CLI for any software following the 7 steps. So if you go to the README, you can also see there are 7 steps that this CLI skill follows to build a CLI for any software. So first, it is to analyze the information you provide, such as the GitHub repo, like the software path. You can provide the CLI skill, and then first you run an analyze, then you design, and then it will implement the Python package, and also run some tests to it, and write a test to it, and then document this package, and then to publish it. Very nice and very clear. So you can see the steps are very, very solid. So after everything is completed, they also provide command like CLI-Anything refine to refine the CLI that it was built. For example, if you have some issues with the Blender, then you can actually ask the CLI-Anything to refine, to just give it a prompt to add more features or to remove the features or to update the features. So that's it. So they provided a few comments for the refinement. So for the CLI-Anything, so there are about 5 commands. So I think there's refine, there's anything test, there's anything validate, and there's anything list. So the easiest way to test is to just use CLI-Anything list. So to list all the packages or all the CLIs that was built. For example, if you go to Claude, and then if you install the CLI-Anything, then you can simply run /CLI-Anything column list. You'll list all the CLIs already built. So because this is actually built in the CLI-Anything folder, you can see it comes with all this software CLI by default. So when you go to the CLI-Anything folder, you run Claude inside the folder with the CLI-Anything list. You'll list all the packages or all the CLIs that was built. So you can call the agent to use it. So it's very, very nice. So if you want to try it out, so they have a very simple instructions to show you how to install it. There's multiple ways to do that. The easiest way is to just use the Claude Marketplace add plugin. So there's a plugin, run this command. It will install the CLI-Anything as a plugin. So you can follow the steps here to install it. Very straightforward. If you want to use OpenCode or any other platforms, they also provided instructions, but they're all experimental. So the recommended ways is to just use the Claude code. You can choose different models, but maybe premium models are better. For example, you can choose Ollama, but just use the Ollama.com Cloud Kimi K2.5, or you can choose the Minimax 2.5, something like that. If you use Claude models or Gemini models, that should be fine as well. So this is how you use the CLI-Anything to make the software agent native. So that should be it. So hopefully this is helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment. If you have any questions, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.